Okay, so right here into the Haltech, we're hooked in to the front, which then this goes off to our wideband, and then we want to run a Haltech dash. So come out here, I'll show you. So the one is your wideband. Here's that wire that comes from inside and that goes into the main port. And then this, because we mounted it under the hood, we had to run this, and then this goes all the way back and back into the car and then goes into the dash. So you can't run your CAN bus on, two different ones. So I'll show you. So here's your auxiliary port. It says CAN right on there. You can't run, your dash to this and then your wideband to that. Because in here, in the menu, you got two choices. You got the main connector, which is in the front, or you got the auxiliary, which is that wire hanging off to the side. Sorry, it's dark. So when you set up your dash, you got to make sure whatever wire you're going to use, that they're going to be on the same setup there. So that's something we ran into. We tried running auxiliary and main on two separate wires, but that didn't work out. So anyways, once we got the wires figured out, now our dash works. Take a second to load. There we go. So you got to download the software for the Dash 2, and there's a separate cable that you got to connect into to use the Dash software, and then you can change your dash however you want it. So that's how we got it set up for now, but I'm sure we'll do some other changes, but pretty sweet. So this is the Lexus 2JZ with Haltech.